In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not working in Windows 10 or 11 in just few easy steps. So let's start right it. From desktop, click on search and type Task Manager and open it. Now select WhatsApp and right click on it. Then click on End Task. After this, close it and check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then again from desktop, click on search and type Installed App and open it. Now click on Search Apps and type WhatsApp. After this, click on these three dots, then click on Advanced Options. Now scroll it and click on Terminate, then click on Repair, and then you have to click on Reset. After this, you will need to log into your WhatsApp. If your problem is still there, then again from desktop, click on Search and type Installed Apps and open it. Now again search for WhatsApp, then click on these three dots and then click on Uninstall. After this, again from desktop, click on Search and type Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp and from suggestions, click on WhatsApp app. Now you have to click on Install. After installation, click on Open and then click on Login. Now you will need to log into your WhatsApp account and your problem should be fixed. That's it. So that's how you can fix WhatsApp not working in Windows 10 or 11 in just few easy steps.